Hey Katie, I'm going to go through a couple of these on this video and hopefully this will help. When it tells you to rewrite the expression, anytime you have one whole, you have to come over here and look at this bottom number and it lets you know how you can rewrite one whole. So in this case, we have a 5 as our whole. So to rewrite this 1, you could turn this into 5 fifths because 5 fifths is the same as one whole. Okay, and then it wants you to solve it on a number line. So again, we know that 5 fifths is the same as one whole. So we're gonna start at one whole, and then we have to subtract 2 fifths. So you're gonna go back in just a second. Okay, so we got our one whole. Okay, so now we gotta subtract backwards 2 fifths. So again, we're starting at one whole, and then we're gonna count backwards 2 fifths. So we're gonna jump 1, 2 fifths back, and then we click. Okay, so 5 fifths minus 2 fifths. Sorry about the dogs. So if we count, it'd be 1, 2, 3 fifths. Okay, and then they have you rewrite it one more time. They rewatch it, or they rewrite it as one whole minus 2 fifths, which was the original problem. And so we know that 5 fifths minus 2 gives you 3 fifths. Okay, so now that I've done one with you, see if that will help you get started. If you are still stuck, let me know and I can send you a couple more.